Hello, I'm Kosi, the editor of Drum Magazine. We at Drum are just so excited to be launching this new venture of ours. It's called Drum Online Shop, which is hosted by Spree. We all know how difficult it is to try to go shopping given our busy lives. We all know how absolutely terrible it is to go into a dressing room and try to fit into those cramped little spaces with those horrible mirrors. Well, we must just have the solution for you. All you need to do is to go to www.drum.co.za, click on the links, and voila, your own personal shopper just waiting for you. Our fashion team has been working really hard making sure that you have the latest, trendiest fashion made just for you. And it's very safe too. Just go online, click on the links that are given to you, provide your details, and your clothing items will be delivered to you within 48 hours. If you don't like it, guess what? You can just return it and we'll send you a new item free of charge. So, let's all go shopping. Enjoy the experience.